I love beautiful jewelry, and today I'm going to share with you some really great pieces from OBY Jewelry. They have kindly sent me 4 pieces to share with you guys today, so I am going to unbox this with you guys, try it on, and let you see what this looks like and give you a little bit of information about each piece. And I do want to thank OBY Jewelry for sending me these 4 pieces to review for you guys. I was so excited picking this jewelry out because it looks so beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started. So I want to go ahead and start off with the unboxing. So this is OBY Jewelry Origin Beauty Paris. So their company is very sustainable because they specialize in lab created emeralds. That's one of their specialties. So all of their emeralds are lab created, so it's going to be more sustainable. Everything's in an 18 karat gold vermeil, which gives it a beautiful color, and it's really durable when you overlay gold vermeil over sterling silver. It makes it last longer, makes it more durable, and it's going to just have a really nice sheen to it. So let me go ahead and unbox this so you can see how it's packaged. So when you open it up, in case you're wanting to give this as a gift to someone, it does come with this packaging. It also has a cleaning cloth in here. And then also inside, you have information on how to care for your jewelry, because you do want to make sure you get that gold vermeil really taken care of. And then here is the jewelry box inside. So it's really nicely placed. You're not going to have to worry about anything during shipping. And that box was also bubble wrapped in its original packaging as well. So everything is going to come in this beautifully packaged blue box. So they're consistent with their sustainability and how they create all of their gemstones and jewelry, and also their packaging as well. And what I like is there's 4 different pieces, but they were all put in this one, so you don't have 4 different packages. So you've got the OBY Origin Beauty Paris embossed in silver on this blue, really pretty presentation. And then when you open it up, it does open to the top. And then you have this little pouch that's also going to store your jewelry, and there's 2 of them in here. So I'm going to assume that there's probably 2 pieces in each one of these, but these are really nice. I love to travel with these just because of the fact that if you have minimal jewelry, you can just throw everything in here and put it in your carry-on and have all your jewelry with you. And then you can also store it in here and keep it really nice and secure. So I'm going to go ahead and sit this down, and we'll open up the first pouch together. But I'm so excited because all of these pieces look so beautiful online, so I cannot wait to see them in person. So the first thing is going to be a necklace, and this is the Infinity Link necklace. So I want you to see this up close. So you can see it's got this small infinity symbol that links the chain. I'm also going to give you some up close looks of this as well. So this is a 16-inch necklace. It cannot be extended past that, and it is in that 18 karat gold vermeil, which has a really beautiful gold color. And if you were to get this in the 18 karat solid gold, it's going to be much more expensive, but this actually does sell for $140, which is great for a gold vermeil, which is really great quality, just under that real solid gold quality. It has a really substantial clasp as well. And then this little hang tag has a small emerald in there, which is really nice. It just gives a signature to their pieces. So let me go ahead and put this on so you can see what this looks like. This is perfect to wear by itself if you want to do that, but they also have some charms that you can put on this as well, some pendants that you can slide right on this. But just look how rich and sophisticated this looks. This would also be a great layering piece. If you wanted to layer and stack another necklace under this, that would be really pretty as a base. But this is so beautiful with that infinity loop detail. If you like the simplistic look, that's great for every day. This is a perfect chain to wear with all of your outfits and keep it on daily or layer with it. It's really nice. So it's that 16-inch, so it's going to be up a little bit higher. So you could attach charms if you wanted, or a pendant, or just keep it as it is, or layer it. So let's go ahead and see what else is in this pouch. So it looks like it's another necklace inside this one. And this is the Princess Cut Emerald Heart. So I'm just going to go ahead and take off my ring light so you can see, and it doesn't have a glare in this, but I have a little natural light coming from the side. But this is 3 Princess Cut Emerald stones. Now, again, remember that the emerald is lab created, which makes it more sustainable. And the chain is a real nice dainty chain that is in the gold vermeil as well. And this comes in a 16-inch length, but look how beautiful that emerald is. As you can see, there's 3 of them, and it makes it look like a heart shape, which is really pretty. So this is the Princess Cut Emerald Heart Necklace. And again, it's got that little hang tag that also has that emerald on it as well. Just their little signature thing they do. This looks like it could be adjusted. So you have 2 other round holes that you can put this in to adjust it. So let me just go ahead and put it on with the Infinity Link chain, and put it on the longest setting so you can see how that infinity chain could stack Now this is absolutely gorgeous, you guys, and it goes so well with this green top that I have on. It really showcases that. So this is another simplistic look. So look how good that looks if you were to layer it with that infinity chain. It lays long enough, so it looks like this one could be either 16 or 18, up to 18 inches. And it has that heart shape, which is very beautiful. I'll show you a close-up. This one sells for $135, which is a great deal when you're talking about 3 emerald stones in this princess cut. So I went ahead and took off the infinity link chain so you can see what this looked like by itself. If you are more of that simplistic, dainty style chain, I wanted you to see what it would look like by itself. So I have 2 more pieces to share with you. One piece is gonna be some earrings and the other is a bracelet. So both of them should be in this envelope. This pouch is really nice again to store them or travel with. So the first thing I pulled out is the bracelet. So I'll share that one with you first. So this is the Freedom Gemstone bracelets, and each one of these is going to be unique. So not every bracelet is gonna be the same. You have Amazonite in here and some pearls. There's a really beautiful pearl here, and all of the gemstones are really nice, and the gold detail that's in here is also in that gold vermeil. Again, you have that hang tag that has the emeralds in it. Some really beautiful colors that will go with just about anything because of the fact that these are neutral. You've got blues, and the pearl is so pretty, and then the like pinky peach color is so pretty as well. So let me put this on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So this does go up to a 7-inch, and as you can see, I have a little bit of room. Sometimes I wear a 7 to a 7¼ inch because I like to have a little bit of room. I don't like them to be too tight. So this is a 7-inch, and it's all the way adjusted as big as it can get. And this is really nice, you guys. It's absolutely stunning. Look at all of that beautiful detail. Like you've got a pearl right here, and then you have another pearl up here, and they don't look the same. And then you have these really beautiful pink and peach stones. And this is like a bluish gray. I think it's a great spring and summertime bracelet. So this does retail for $126. And keep in mind, this is kind of like a middle range. So it's not really super expensive like your solid gold is. And I'm gonna have everything linked for you in the description box so you can check out some of these beautiful pieces, see some other things that they have on their website as well. So here are the earrings. They're the Paisley Flourish hoop earrings. So you can see they do have that post back, and they're gonna be really easy to put on, and they have almost like a teardrop look to them, but they're in a hoop. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on so you can see what they look like. So here is the earring, and isn't it so beautiful? So this is in that gold vermeil. It has that teardrop look, and it's almost like a huggy. It kind of hugs the ear a little bit, but it is considered a hoop style. Really beautiful piece here. So these earrings do retail for $70. So $70 is a great deal for some gold vermeil earrings that you can wear daily, either casual or dressed up. So I hope you enjoyed this jewelry unboxing and try on from the brand OBY Jewelry. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and also I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.